Hey everyone, let's talk about the Timilge electronic water descaler system. Hard water minerals stick to your pipes and ruin your appliances over time. This clever system uses frequency-modulated electromagnetic signals to prevent scale buildup without salt or chemicals. It safely keeps healthy minerals in your water while breaking down existing deposits. Installation is a breeze because you just wind the coil right around your main water supply pipe. It works on all kinds of pipes to protect your entire home system. Say goodbye to plumbing headaches and enjoy better water flow starting today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.